wish to welcome you once again and thank you for choosing the Gambia as a cruise destination. On behalf of the Director General Staff and Management and the Minister of Tourism and Culture, we first of all want to hand over this flag to you from the Gambia Tourism Board. On behalf of the Ministry too, we wish to give this as a sign of appreciation.
Welcome. We were here with this ship was November. I've been here with another ships and last call and this call. I see that in the morning prior to our arrival, the port is moving out container ship so we can come alongside. No delays, everything very organized, very nice. So thank you very much for everything. And on our side, on behalf of the ship, here comes one plaque with a picture of the beautiful